If you've ever said, I know exactly what to do, I just can't make myself do it, this video is going to change the way that you see yourself. I promise. But before we dive in, my name is Salima. I'm a yoga therapist. If you've made it here through Instagram or TikTok, or maybe you've been a longtime fan of Kundalini yoga, I'm so glad you're here, because as you grow your awareness of the language of your nervous system, the patterns that you're holding in your body, and you connect with a community of like-minded people, the learning is so much faster and the growth is exponential. So let's dive in. Here's what's actually happening when you end up back where you started. When you feel like you're looping, this is what's happening. Your nervous system is wired for predictability, not happiness, not joy, not getting the most out of life, but it is seeking that which is familiar. And familiar is a way of considering safety. So that's what your body is doing. Something outside of your normal range of thinking or feeling or doing is feeling unsafe. And so your body says, no, not just yet. Not quite ready for that yet. And another way to think about that is that when you're dysregulated, your system pulls you back into familiar territory. And the window of tolerance that you have is right here. And when you start to work on your nervous system, in other words, start to add more resources, give yourself a little bit more capacity, then your ability to tap in, tune in, turn on becomes a little bit bigger, and those goals don't seem so far out of reach anymore. And that's where growth is possible. So what we want to do with Kundalini Yoga now is to expand your window of tolerance. And that is by giving you an opportunity to connect with your breath, connect with your body, to all the inner sensations that are going to help alert you to what actually feels safe in your life. And when you know what's safe, you can start to make really different kinds of decisions. So this loop that you've been in is not a failure of character at all. It's what your nervous system was designed to do, keep you safe. And once you name this and claim it and stop shaming, then the biggest loop, the underlying loop, stops. And that's where we want to hang out. So let's go at it a little bit differently. So this is why the strategies of planning and goal setting haven't quite worked. And that is because the goals are coming from here and the loops are coming from here. So it's two different operating systems. And the body interprets all of that newness as change, and change is a threat. So even positive changes can feel like, oh no, can I really do this? Think about the times where you stopped eating sugar, or stopped smoking, or stopped drinking, or stopped hanging out with so-and-so. Your body actually then started to crave any one of those substances. And there you get a little window and an insight into why we go back to that which is familiar, because we start to get accustomed to the body chemistry that gets released when we're doing those things, regardless of if it's helpful to us or not. It starts to feel like a pattern we can rely on. If I hang out with so-and-so and it feels really shitty, at least I know that's what it feels like with them. Instead of being on my own, which may feel lonely and isolating, and I don't really know what that feels like. When you start to see this, when you start to unpack it, when you start to layer language of the nervous system on top of this, you can start to dissolve the self-criticism, because this isn't your fault. This is about survival. And what we want to do now is start to unpack that so that we can feel safe. And when we feel safe, we can start to do those things that are outside of our comfort zone. So if this sounds interesting and thought-provoking for you, this is exactly the work we do in Harmony Within. There is a group of women who is tuned in, turned on to these ideas, and are starting to unpack it all. And we layer that with work that comes from Kundalini Yoga, and that is regulating and resourcing our bodies. And then there is course to complete. So a pathway that you can take that really helps you to move through all of these different places that we tend to get stuck. So comment harmony and I'll send you those details, or you can check the links below. So here is the reframe that changes everything about how you approach your goals. You cannot out-discipline dysregulation, okay? So when your body is under capacity, when you feel like you are overwhelmed, there is no space to then take next actions or brave, courageous action. There is just enough energy to keep on doing what you're doing. So the remedy to all of that is small, consistent messages and experiences of feeling resourced. And you don't need to do a dramatic overhaul. You really don't. There is nothing broken. We just need to go back to a daily practice. And remember that all of this is not linear. There's going to be days where you feel like you're moving ahead and other days where you might step back a little bit, and all of that is okay. And we already have the remedy here in this series. So if you go back to video number 2, that is a 7-day challenge, Kundalini Yoga, very gentle, very beginner friendly, an opportunity to start repatterning and resourcing and resetting your nervous system so that you can create more room to take on new challenges, so that you can see yourself without overwhelm, without feeling burnt out, without feeling like you don't have any energy for anything new. And that's what I want to encourage you to do. All of this talking is amazing, but the real work happens when you sit down with that video and you start to practice. And you start to pay attention to what's happening in your mind, how your body feels before and after, and that you commit to it. And once you commit to it, you'll see the proof yourself. And that's what it's all about, right? I could tell you lots of things, but if you go and experience it, that means the world, because all of a sudden you've given yourself evidence. And so that's what I want to invite you into. So right here and right now, let's pause. Feel your feet on the ground or your seat on the chair, however way you're experiencing this, and ground all the way down. Feel yourself rooted to the earth below you, the Mother Earth. And feel your spine and your neck connecting to the sky above you, the vastness above you. And feel yourself as a bridge between all that is above and all that is below. And just know right here and right now, you are in the perfect place, taking the perfect action. Nothing has gone wrong. And this is actually an opportunity to keep moving forward. I love that for all of us. Okay, so if this is resonating, make sure you hit the like button, share it with another woman who needs to hear this information. And if you find this interesting and you want to take it further, please join us in Harmony Within course, community, and coaching, so that your nervous system, your goals, your aspirations for yourself, your true identity start to shine through with a group of like-minded women around you. Let's do this. Comment the word harmony, I'll send you the details, or you can check the links below. Lots of love until the next time, until the next video. My name is Salima, yoga therapist.